lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Arms take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hello Capricorn, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for February the 1st to February the 7th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang readings, nagpo-post din po ako doon ng readings. Ibang readings yon. So meron na pong February the 1st to February the 7th reading na nandoon, no? Kung hindi po kayo nakaka-resonate dito, baka nandun po ang inyong reading. So nagla-live po tayo doon, interactive siya. You're very much welcome to join the live sessions. Ayan. I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo. So, Capricorn, nakakakita ako ng separations, no? Merong hiwalayan, whether it is a physical separation or energetic separation. Ano ang pinagkaiba? Physical separation, now the person might be in a different place, different city, state, county, country, different continent, no? Different universe, ayan. Merong physical na separation, pwede nasa kapitbahay lang din, no? Nandito sa kabilang bahay, no? Nasa katapat, nasa kabilang baryo, nasa kabilang isla, what have you. And energetic separations, ito po yung nagkikita naman tayo, wala naman tayong physical separation, pwede nasa loob tayo ng isang bahay, kwarto, opisina, classroom, no? Pero hindi tayo nag-uusap. Ang pinakamatindi nito, combination pa ng physical and energetic separations, no? Paano natin masusurpass ang isang challenges with the lovers, no? Na kumbaga, siya pa yung pinakataong mahal na mahal ko, no? Tapos alam ko na parang siya yata ang aking twin flame. This is more than just a soulmate. This is twin flames, no? The lovers. At ang pinakamasakit niyan, unahan ko na kasi usually ginagawa ko itong tignan yung mga zodiac signs, no, ng inyong person after the entire reading, no, bago matapos yung video. Pero unahan ko na ito with a Gemini, no. Alam mo ba na ang Capricorn at ang Gemini, sila yung pinaka-besties. Sila ang one of the best anong tawag doon? Combinations of the zodiacs na hindi mo mapaghihiwalay, maganda yung samahan. Kaya ako sinabi. Ang hirap dahil nagsimula ng maayos, no? Nagsimula na parang binuo ko itong pangarap kasama ka, no? Ang dami-dami kong gustong gawin, no? Parang for you, I almost lived in a dreamland, or yung parang, dream state sort of. I can't believe na nakatagpo ako ng isang taong katulad mo, no? Ang sakit nung nagkaroon ng hiwalayan. Now, this may also apply sa trabaho or doon sa family members, no? Best friend as well, or pera, no? How? Kasi parang feeling mo, stable na ako dito, all of a sudden, makakatanggap ako ng isang either hindi na pala ako ka-join doon sa group na yon, no? Ang sakit kasi binuhos ko ang buong buhay ko dito. Business-wise, ito yung aking sinasabing, alam ko ito ang trabaho business para sa akin, no, swak na swak kami, all of a sudden, biglang nagkaroon kami ng separation in a way dahil either kailangan kong ibenta or nalugi, no? Ang sakit. So, you can see the, 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 the synchronicities of it. Now, with the chariot, what I am seeing in here is the surpassing the challenges, no? Pwedeng ito ay isang test, no, dito sa inyong samahan, nitong energy na ito. I feel like kailangan lang either may lumayo, magpahinga. No, the justice in here, things really happen for a reason. Um, Dire-diretso yung first three cards nyo are major arcana. Nasabayan pa nitong sun, pero dito yan sa may not so distant future. What I am seeing in here in the justice, no? So which means na bakit ko nasabi puro major arcanas? Kasi ito nga, major arcanas. So which means napakalaking impact nito and malaking chunk siya ng buhay mo, no? With the justice and the two of pentacles, parang sinasabi mo, magkakaayos pa ba kami? Magkakaroon pa ba kami ng chance na magtagpong muli, no? Magkaututang dila, ayan. I feel like with the King of Cups, medyo instead na meron tayong galit, dumadating tayo dito sa pag-iisip, pag-observe. Yes, siguro hindi tayo nagsasalita, hindi natin mini-mention yung mga bagay-bagay, hindi natin pinopost, no? Feeling mo, wala naman din silang pakialam no? Bakit kailangan ko i-post? So, hindi na importante, no? Sa akin na lang yung problema with the Ten of Cups. I feel like kailan kaya kami magkakaayos? Kailan kaya kami mapupunta sa isang level ng connection na medyo secured na? Kasi parang feeling mo na nawala yung security all of a sudden. Now, with the sun, I am seeing 8 of Wands. So, the 8 of Wands in here, magkakaroon naman kayo ng communication, no? Magkakaroon, kumbaga, ang inyong past, no, will meet again, but hindi muna siya face-to-face, no, walang physical touch. I think that this is going to happen in a chat, calls, video calls, no? With the Queen of Wands, gusto mong malaman, no, ang katotohanan, gusto mong, dito ka pala magsasalita. Pwedeng ikaw ang magsasabi ng this is, yung mag-explain, this is what I really feel, this is how it happened, no? One thing's for sure, magkakaroon dito ng Prince of Swords, so maibabalik, no? Itong ating pagsasamahan. And I think that this is very gradual with the Alchemist kasi parang we will start from the scratch. Ngayon, ang pinaka-fear natin dito is medyo hindi na tayo nakakapagtulog-tulog, no? Ganun kalakas ang impact nito na papanaginipan natin. It also feels like hindi na rin medyo naapektuhan ng ating mental health, no? Sleepless nights, actually. Kasi natatakot tayo na baka that was the end of it, no? But with the Hermit, it may take really a long while, no? Siguro medyo mabigat-bigat ang mga napagdaanan ninyong dalawa or kung sino man ang nakagawa ng kasalanan, itong breakup na ito, it kind of make me feel that the Hermit is a bit of, it will take a while prior someone digest kung ano ang inexplain, but doon din naman siya papunta. No need to parang madaliin, baka lalong magdugo, no? Huwag na ipilit, baka magdugo. Ayan, baka instead na makatulong, have the person the me time with the 10 of Swords and the 6 of Swords. Kumbaga, sabihin natin, yes, it might look like this is the end of it kasi sa surface kapag tinignan mo, ay hindi kami nag-uusap, no? Pero pakalmahin natin with the 6 of Swords, kind of traveling in a calmer water. I think that the emotions are heightened as of the moment. So, hindi pa talaga ukol, no? Hindi pa sadya na para mag-meet kayo dahil kailangan pang medyo pahupain. Believe in the proper timing. Bakit kamo? Kasi baka pag gusto mo siyang makita ngayon, magsigawan lang kayo, no? So, instead na umayos, lumala, masumaba ang pag-aantay, no? Kaya meron siyang tinatawag na divine timing. So, let's check what's the energy or message of the universe sa inyo. Gusto ko lang ipaalala na dun po sa ating Babaylan TV, again, nagla-live tayo doon. Kung hindi kayo nakaka-resonate dito, baka doon po kayo maka-resonate, no? Nandun na rin po ang February the 1st to February the 7th reading. Ayan. So, kung hindi nyo naman siya maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Ayan. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no lang, dumiretso na kayo dun sa ating website. There's a link. So, click the link. You will be routed to my website. No, nandun po yung information. How much per question, name, number, QR code for your reference. Ayan. So, Capricorn, I also created a 4 questions plus 1. Take advantage of it. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? So, Capricorn, let's check kung ano ang message sa iyo ni Universe. There is nothing sexier than my authentic truth. So, eto nga yung sinasabi natin, if in case na magkaroon tayo ng chance, makipag-usap, no, sa ating person at maklarify itong lahat, wag na nating paligoy-liguyin pa, no? We can be direct, but we can also be yung nasa tamang tone naman, no? Hindi porket nagsabi ko ng direct message, kailangan pasigaw ako para mas feel, no? Hindi ganon. Maraming ways on how to deliver a message, and you must use the easier, sexier, toned down message. Ayan. So, tingnan natin ang zodiac sign ng iyong person. Capricorn, this can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Sagittarius, Virgo, Leo, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Gemini, baka kapwa Capricorn din, and Libra, no? So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste, and see you sa next live or next reading. Goodbye.